Hello and welcome. I'm Dawn Bowerman with Blue Chip Marketing, and I am here in Rochester in the Pittsburgh office with Dr. Stein with Sounds for Life. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. It's just a few days away.
Yes.
Yeah, and we still have beautiful weather, which is wonderful. So I'm really looking forward to a nice Thanksgiving.
Right.
Today we're going to be talking a little bit about product. And before we get started, those of you that don't know, for the past 5 or 6 years, I've kind of been in the audiologist realm, working with clients, patients, and different practices across the country. And what I found is there's just a variety of options out there when it comes to hearing aids. So what we're going to talk about a little bit today is some of the differences. Now, hearing aids are really geared to your lifestyle. There are also some price points involved, to your need, to what you're looking for. So it's important that you know a little bit about the hearing aid industry's choices and what's out there for you. So today we're going to be talking about a product that Starkey has, correct?
Right.
Now, I'm holding it in my hand, but what we'll do a little later is kind of zoom in on it for you so you can see it a little closer and get a better look. But it's kind of interesting because people don't want hearing aids because they really have the image of the really old-fashioned kind of
large ones, right.
Absolutely.
And hearing aids have become quite miniaturized, even the ones that you wear behind the ear. So I think people are finding them a lot more appealing. They also come in all kinds of snazzy colors and things like that. So
yeah, I heard they even match your hair sometimes.
yes,
right?
they can match your hair, your skin tone, purple, red. For pediatric clients or customers, they have baby blue and pink, so all kinds of variety.
You really get a different choice. Now the interesting thing is this is actually smaller than the headset that I wear for my phone.
Right.
So
right.
that's kind of interesting. Okay, so Dr. Stein, why don't you talk to us a little bit about this particular hearing aid?
Sure. The hearing aid that we're talking about is the Halo product, and it is a hearing aid that is made to be compatible with Apple products, Apple iPhone, Apple the iPads, and even the Apple Watch. And the nice thing about that, first of all, it's a very high quality product, but the other part of that is everybody has an iPhone or a smartphone or something like that. So for people who are concerned about other people noticing when they're adjusting their hearing aids, they don't need to do it at ear level anymore. They can just use their phone to make adjustments, and so people don't, for all anybody else knows, you're just checking your texts or you're playing a game or something like that. So it's very unobtrusive, and I think a lot of people find that
Kind of an
interesting option. Yeah.
So if we're having a conversation here and I've got the hearing aid in and I can't hear, or I have to adjust it to the environment that I'm in, I can do it just right on my phone?
Sure. The phone with the TrueLink app acts as a remote control. The other nice feature about it is let's say you and I go to lunch every Wednesday at a noisy restaurant, and the hearing aids, I'm wearing the hearing aids, and they're not quite working well enough for me. I'm not able to hear you as much as I would like to, or as well as I would like to. I can just with my fingertip make adjustments to whatever program or memory I'm in, and I can actually geotag that. When I find the right settings, I can geotag it, so the next time you and I go to that restaurant, the hearing aids will automatically go into that memory or program that you've geotagged.
Wow.
So people find that very convenient, and you can do up to 20. The customer can have up to 20 of those.
So their favorite spots.
Yes, and they can be changed at any time. You can make adjustments without geotagging, so it's very flexible. A couple of other nice things about these hearing aids, they do have a car mode that is automatic, so that when you and your hearing aids are going over a certain mile per hour, the hearing aids automatically kick into that car mode, and they make adjustments excuse me, for all of the annoying sounds and noises that you hear while you're driving. And that allows you to hear the, things like road noise.
Yeah.
So that allows you to hear your passengers and the music or whatever, a lot better. Let's see.
That's interesting. Wow.
Yeah. Another thing that is very helpful, but it's also kind of fun. If you're prone to losing or misplacing things, and the hearing aid is really small, so and all of us have more than one thing.
Misplacing it. How many patients have misplaced their hearing aids?
Exactly. And in day-to-day life, we all have so many things on our minds that maybe we're thinking about something and we take the hearing aids off, and a couple hours later you think, where did I put my hearing aids? You can use your iPhone to find your hearing aids.
Oh, that's awesome.
And some people do find that very helpful. So one other feature that I wanted to talk about with the Halo product is if let's say that you're in a lecture setting and you can't sit close enough to hear very well, you can actually put your iPhone at on the lectern, and you can either stream what's being presented directly to your hearing aids, or you can record it depending on how much memory you have on your phone. You can record it and you can listen to it later. So that it just really, this type of technology really allows people so much more flexibility and so much more access to things that are important to them. And just while I'm on that topic of streaming, any audio that comes through your phone, including phone calls, radio, movies, you can stream directly through the hearing aids. So it really allows you.
How about your television? Do these hook up to your television as well?
They don't hook up to the television. No, my understanding is that they're working on an adaptation for that, but at this point, no, they don't.
Okay, so strictly radio. That's amazing anyway.
Yes.
So now let me ask you, is it just specifically for iPhones, iPads, or is it compatible with various?
That's a good question. The technology is actually available in any smartphone. However, not all of the features are available. All of the features are available in the Apple products, and Starkey is working diligently to try to get all of the features so that they're available in all of the
products
smartphone products
that are out there.
Yeah.
And there's a lot, and it'll be changed by tomorrow, so it's
I
kind of
know.
hard to keep up with. Is it now? I think you may have mentioned this earlier. Is the application kind of user friendly for people to use? It's just something that they download.
Yes, you just download it through the iPhone. Is it
we're up to 6 now, I think.
But is it the Apple Store?
Apple Store, maybe.
I don't have an iPhone.
I don't either. So.
But yeah, you just would download it like you download any other app. It's free and it is very easy to use. Yeah.
Okay,
but that's something that, as part of the fitting process, I do go over with people too.
Right. All right. Wonderful. Well, again, as you can see, it's very important that you come in and talk to Dr. Stein, because she's got various different features and benefits that she can talk to you about with the hearing aids that, again, will fit the lifestyle that you lead, so it makes it very easy transition for you. I thank you. That was wonderful. I look forward to seeing you next time, and I want to thank all you guys out there. Dawn Bowerman, Blue Chip Marketing with Dr. Stein, and we look forward to next time. Thank you.